what is up? Welcome back to my channel. How is everybody doing today? So in today's video is going to be a different type of unboxing. I've been wanting to get a makeup subscription box for a very long time. I decided I'm gonna get a makeup subscription box, and the one that I decided to go with is Boxycharm. So I do have a Boxycharm unboxing for you guys. I pay for this box with my very own money, and because I'm Canadian, I pay $40 a month for this box. Now, I'm really excited to be able to unbox this box for you guys every single month, well, up until I continue to get it. To get on to this video and let's talk and let's go. Oh, I look like Harry Potter, like a female version of Harry Potter, I know. Open it, it looks like this. It's all nice and girly, all nice and pink. This box is March's, which is really cool. St. Patty's Day. Assuming these are American prices. These are not Canadian prices, so this stuff is very expensive. The first thing is the Lime Crime Venus 3 eyeshadow palette. Now, I know I could get this eyeshadow palette at Winners or Marshall's discounted stores, but they're about $50 discounted. So here it's saying it is worth $38. The palette is absolutely stunning. I love it so much. I did try it out and oh my goodness, I love it. I'm actually wearing it on my eyes today. This is what I created. Absolutely stunning, gorgeous. It is so pigmented. I love it so much. This color is beautiful. This one in this purple shade. Ha ha! Next thing is a moisture cream. It's a banana one. It's from Glow Recipe. Never even heard of this brand or tried them or anything. Whew, this is worth $39. Wow. I don't even want to know what this would be worth Canadian. Use it too, and it felt so nice. Like, just like poking at it, it's just really cool. It's like bouncy. I don't know how to explain it, but this says it's calming and hydrating, and it just looks like this. Like, look how cute this is. It really does smell like bananas. Oh, it smells so good. Bouncy, like, I don't know how to like explain it. Like, it just kind of bounces, you know. Moisturizing cream, I don't know how else to like explain it. I only had to use very little because it's so moisturizing. I can't eat bananas because they really hurt my stomach, like really hurt my stomach, but I can touch them and stuff, just I can't eat them. Next thing, I actually tried these last night. These are the Beauty Crop Avocado Hydrating Eye Masks. Now, I'm not really into like hydrating eye masks or serums or face serums or creams or anything like that. I don't do any of that, but I got these in my Boxycharm, so I'll use them. They help with hydrating, plumping, and nourishing, and you guys, these felt so cool on my eyes yesterday. They're like silicone, that's what they are, and they're cold and they're rubbery and they're just so fun to play with. I wouldn't buy these for myself, but I mean, in a Boxycharm, sure. Retail for $18, and it is the Marvin Beauty Marvin Rose Water Setting Spray, and it does smell like rose. I don't know much about it, I just used it today, but all I know is that it's really cute. Like, look how bright this is. I love the color of it, and it smells like rose water too. So we'll see how. So I got that. This is a 100 milliliter bottle with 3.38 fluid ounces. So now this is from K.A. Beauty Cosmetics. This is a hydrating lip oil, which I did try this yesterday, and it was so hydrating. It felt really, really nice, and it smelled like pina colada. That's what it smells like. It's just what it looks like. It smells so good. It's just like a lip oil. I just liked it for the hydrating part. This is $20. Really? I would never pay $20 for this, even though it feels amazing on the lips. I just wouldn't pay for that. Anyways, that is everything that I got in my March Boxycharm. I hope that you guys did enjoy this video. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, guys.